Welcome students to the AVM classes. Today we are going to start a new chapter, estimation. Estimation means to find something close to the correct answer. In other words, it is also known as approximation. For example, if the distance between two cities is 247 km, you can approximately say it as 250 km. While purchasing vegetables from your locality, if it weighs 5 kg 20 gram, you can say its weight to be 5 kg. We can estimate any number to its nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, etc. While rounding off a number to its nearest tens, the general rule is that if the digit at units place is less than 5, then we can round off the number to its lower tens. For example, on rounding off 52 to its nearest tens, we will get 50 because the digit at units place is 2. Similarly, on rounding off 784 to its nearest tens, we will get 780 because here also the digit at units place is 4, which is less than 5. While rounding off a number to its nearest tens, if the digit at units place is equal to or greater than 5, then we have to round off the number to its higher tens. For example, on rounding off 45 to its nearest tens, we will get 50 because the digit at units place is 5. Similarly, on rounding off 849 to its nearest tens, we will get 850 because the digit at units place is 9, which is greater than 5. Now, on rounding off a number to its nearest hundred, the general rule is that if a digit at tens place is less than 5, then we have to round off the number to its lower hundred. For example, on rounding off 242 to its nearest hundred, we'll get 200 because the digit at its tens place is 4, which is less than 5. Similarly, on rounding off 1934 to its nearest hundred, we will get 1900 because the digit as tens place is 3, which is less than 5. If we have to round off a number to its nearest hundred and if digit at tens place is equal to or greater than 5, then we have to round off the number to its higher hundreds. For example, on rounding off 458 to its nearest hundred, we will get 500 because the digit at tens place is 5. Similarly, on rounding off 5890, we will get 5900 because the unit at tens place is 9, which is greater than 5. While rounding off a number to its nearest thousand, the general rule is that if the digit at hundredths place is less than 5, then we have to round off the number to its lower hundred. For example, on rounding off 2142 to its nearest thousand, it will be 2000 because the digit at hundredths place is 1, which is less than 5. Similarly, on rounding off 8430, we will get 8000 because the digit at hundredths place is 4, which is less than 5. while rounding off a number to its nearest thousand, if the digit at hundredth place is equal to or greater than 5, then we have to round off the number to its higher thousand. For example, on rounding off 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to its nearest thousand, we will get 46,000 because the digit at hundredth place is 6, which is greater than 5. Similarly, on rounding off 5890 to its nearest thousand, we will get 6,000 because the digit at hundredth place is 8, which is greater than 5. So, we can apply the similar general rule while approximating or estimating the value of a number to its nearest 10,000 or lakh or to any place value. Now, let us solve few questions related to estimation. In our first question, we have to round off 578 to its nearest 10, and that will be equals to 580 because the digit at units place is 8, which is greater than 5. Similarly, on rounding off 578 to its nearest 100, we'll get 600 because the digit at tens place is 7, which is greater than 5. And on rounding off 4327 to its nearest thousand, we'll get 4000 because the digit at 100th place is 3, and which is less than 5. Similarly, on rounding off 32974 to its nearest 10,000, we'll get 30,000 because the digit at 1000th place is 2, which is less than 5. And on rounding off 27487 to its nearest 10,000, we'll get 30,000 because the digit at 1000th place is 7, which is greater than 5. In this question, we have to list all the numbers which can be rounded off to 30. The numbers having 2 at tens place and that can be rounded off to 30 are 26, 27, 28 and 29 because the digit at unit places are 6, 7, 8 and 9, and these numbers are greater than 5. Similarly, the numbers having 3 at tens place which can be rounded off to 30 are 31, 32, 33 and 34 because the digit at unit places are 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1, 2, 3 and 4 are less than 5. In our third question, we have to estimate the sum of the given numbers to its nearest 10. Our first question is 67 and 44. 67 can be rounded off to its nearest 10 as 70 and 44 as 40. So the required sum will be 70 plus 40, that is 110. Similarly, for second question, that is 34 and 87, the nearest 10 of 34 will be 30 and 87 will be 90. And the required sum will be 30 plus 90, that is 120. In this question, we have to estimate the difference of the given numbers to its nearest tens. Our first question is 82 and 27. 82 to its nearest tens will be 80 and 27 will be 30. So the required difference will be 80 minus 30, that is 50. And our second question is 96 and 36. The nearest 10 of 96 is 100 and that of 36 will be 40. And the required difference is 100 minus 40, that is 60. In this question, we have to estimate the product of the given numbers to its nearest tens. Our first question is 49 and 52. 49 to its nearest tens is 50 and 52 to its nearest tens is also 50. So the required product is 50 multiplied by 50, that is 2500. Our second question is 63 and 38. 63 to its nearest tens is 60 and 38 to its nearest tens is 40. So the required product is 60 multiplied by 40, that is 2400. Thank you for watching. We'll start a new chapter in our next video.